Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to cancel a Namecheap domain. So please listen carefully to each step. And once you're here, you have to make sure that you understand that your domain's renewal and cancellation policies. And this helps you avoid unwanted charges. And again, you will log into your Namecheap and then you will have to go to the domain list, which you can find under the account section. And once you're here, you will have to locate the domain that you would want to cancel. And after that, what you will have to do is click manage and then you will scroll to sharing and transfer and then you will click domain registration. Then after that, you will click disable authoring you to stop future billing. And by the way, Namecheap does not allow immediate cancellation, so disabling authoring you ensures it will not charge you for next year. And finally, confirm that the authoring you is off and your domain will remain active until expiration date. Double check if you need to back up emails or website data before expiry. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.